Local news for Monday, the 10th of August. Forest Enterprises, Transurban and Golden Shears are all finalists in the Wellington Gold Awards. The winners are set to be announced on the 3rd of September at Wellington's TSB Arena. National candidate Mike Butterick has been named at 58 on the National Party list. Labour's Kira McAnulty is at 26, up from 38. Pro-democracy lobby group Democracy Action is applauding the South Wairarapa District Council for rejecting the proposal of a Māori ward. The issue is now unlikely to be considered again until the 2025 election cycle. The closing date for the Masterton Arts Fund and the Creative Communities is on Friday the 14th of August. Previous recipients have included the likes of the Masterton Theatre Company, Douglas Park School and King Street Artworks. And in Premier Rugby, Greytown and Marist are top of the table, both picking up wins at the weekend, with one round of club rugby still to play. Matamara and Gladstone fought out a 19-all draw, while Ekatahuna beat East Coast. And the Senior Reserve Ryan Cup this weekend will be fought over between East Coast and Greytown. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.